diagram, still writing task 1, yeah. It can be a simple diagram or it can be complicated diagram because it's two process happen together. For example, one process is describing the process of making box. And then bottom process is the process of making food itself. And then at the end, it joined together, becoming packaging. So that means you are going to explain two process one by one. Relax with that, yeah. So it's just about variant, yeah. The one that you have to notice is about your passive voice. Working task 1 always related to passive voice. Okay, now the one that are not sure about passive voice can just contact me personally, and then I already give help, yeah, by sending YouTube. But I know you are watching YouTube, maybe still not understand, and then consult me, yeah, because it is very crucial to use passive voice in writing task 1. Okay, so Olivia, are you okay with passive voice, Olivia?
Well, in speaking, I think I'm not okay, but in writing, I can check it twice, so I can.
Right. Yeah.
Like,
Editing. Yeah. During the editing, that means you understand the concept. Only when you speak, you tend to miss out. Yeah. That is in the
yeah, Miss.
session. That is practice. Yeah. Practice with
Yeah,
speaking. Good one. The best way to practice with speaking is record many of your speaking. Yeah. Record it and then listen, record and listen like that. Many types. Yeah. Well, I believe Miss Effie already explained to you. Okay. How about Mr. Rinaldi and Mr. Kia and Mr. Tony? Passive voice.
Mm, For me, the pattern, I believe I already know. But
Okay.
sometimes when I want to use it in writing,
Hmm.
yeah, for some sentence, maybe I'm still doubt to use what
Uh,
the tenses is.
oh, okay. I know. The matter of tenses, that's what I said, yeah. When you can play with four tenses, yeah, that means you married the band eight. Of course, there is step that we have to adjust with that, yeah. Uh, uh, that is what it does shown in band IELTS, yeah. When you are already fluent in using several tenses and then showing several tenses more than three, yeah, four, five, that means it surely will increase your band, yeah, because that means you merit band 8 and top, yeah. But if you made mistake in a simple one, it also going to reduce. As I said, forget S in 10 words. Oh, that was a bad. So be better careful with that one first before we try to use several tenses, yeah. A matter of tenses is kind of hard for me to spend one specific time with tenses, yeah. Before your structure, this is structured essay, yeah. Before your structured essay already in proper way, yeah. Because sometimes I still see each one of you still confused. Where should I put? Yeah, that's why today I'm going to hold on the writing task 1 and writing task 2 to check the final result of all my course before, yeah. And then when I see still the problem is when I see that you are good and then I see that you are potentially to raise your band into band 7 7.5 or 8, yeah, I will give 30 minutes only for tenses, yeah, only for tenses, for IELTS, of course, yeah, for IELTS. But that going to be on Wednesday, yeah, when I see the result today, after I evaluate the result today of your both writing task 1 and writing task 2. Okay. And then Mr. Kia, so far, what are the weaknesses or the one that you are still hesitate on?
I think for writing, it's not a big problem, miss, but with the time, I'm still working, I'm still meeting, so sometimes I cannot concentrate in here, miss.
Yeah. How about today? We're going to the
Yes,
exam. You are still
I'm
having.
still meeting in, yes, miss, in Bogor.
Okay. Okay, then Mr. Tony also, are you still having double job today?
Yeah, just a little bit tired.
Little bit tired, yeah. And then
Yeah.
you're writing usually after, yeah. But then anyway, we just spend our the most time that we can use for IELTS anyway. Each one of you has your own purposes, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Now, yeah, as not wasting our time, I want you just to read first. I know we are not having the reading session, and yeah, not speaking session, but this is to make a little bit raising your score. Yeah, to be honest, when I took my test in TOEFL, in IELTS, yeah, I don't study at all. I didn't study at all. Yeah, I didn't know about the pattern. Yeah, what I write is what I know in my head. I just write it down. It's going to be different with all of you. Yeah, you are trained with the pattern, with the sample, and then with the guidance. Yeah, so now I know if I was at that time learning, I know my score will be higher, 1.5 or 2, Ben, maybe, yeah, if I know about this pattern, yeah. But luckily that was something that become my motivation. My student has to know the pattern so they can increase little by little the band. Yeah. Now, when I show you this one in front of you has text, yeah. Miss Devi, can you read for us this text? Yeah. This text is the answer of the questions about. Some people think that the government should make education free for all students, regardless of their financial situation. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Okay.
Okay, I will start to read that now. These days, public debate has been going on over whether the government should make tertiary education free for all students. I tend to believe that higher education should be free for the following reasons. Three main factors support the idea of free university education. The primary factor we need to take into consideration is that many students cannot afford university, although they truly want to get degrees. Obviously, without enough financial resources, wasting taxpayers' money on projects such as space exploration by making spaceships, the fund should be spent on university education. That is to say, the government would be well advised to allocate resources in a more sensible way. A third reason for my belief is that high tuition fees may prevent some students from studying at university.
Students, Miss. Students.
Students, okay. It is widely recognized that many young people are reluctant to face their loans after graduation, which means such a burden might make university education less attractive. I admit that students' financial
Students.
contributions, students, sorry, miss. I admit that students' financial contributions to higher education helps universities to improve facilities. Despite that, a more reasonable government funds allocation can solve this issue. for which we can find plenty of evidence from our own experience. In conclusion, I will argue that tertiary education should be paid by the government. Accordingly, it would be generally advisable for the government to allocate financial resources in a more beneficial way.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
So this is kind of sample, yeah, kind of sample the way that I'm going to underline or make bold or pay attention with the variant of opening the paragraph and then connectors with the the bold one, that is connectors, yeah, and then with the position, yeah, the positioning. As you can see in here, I tend to believe that this is related to the opening, yeah. You remember that in all writing, you need to open things. Yeah, you need to open what is the generally you will talk about in the paragraph after. Yeah, so either it is I personally think that, or I tend to believe that this is variant. Yeah, this is variant. And then I will show you this slide while you are doing, or you can just ask me, Miss Tina, please hand me in, because my weakness is I'm totally straight out. Totally straight out means like this, yeah. Answer. So your writing is answer of the questions. Well, your writing is not the answer of the questions only, yeah. It has to be, if we want to raise our band, it has to be beautiful, it has to be connected, yeah, coherence, it has to show several tenses, it has to show the linking words, yeah. So it creates something that in total express yourself in a matter of grammatical point, yeah, in a grammatical point, something like that. So looking to other writing that having band 9, it is good, yeah. So later on, oh, like this is, I can just follow. Can I follow? Yes, you can follow the pattern. It doesn't matter, yeah. The pattern that I make in red color is something that is can be used for all kind of questions that related to agree or disagree, yeah. Okay. So now your questions is, yeah. Yeah, I don't have to give you another questions. I just give you the same because I need that 40 minutes. I'm limiting this one only 30 minutes, yeah, but you get the same questions as the example that I gave you. Halo Adiba. Did you get already the questions in the board? Already? Yes, Mr. Tony, did you get the questions already on the board?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, it's starting in 1905 to 1945. The time start now, yes? Miss Adiba, you just enter my room, but you know what to do, yeah?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. In front of you, I'm now in process of showing you the linking words, the opening statement, so with different questions. Excuse me for a moment, yeah.
Yang sakit. Ayo set. Sini.
Duduk sana, Kak.
Ini siapa?